Hey everybody, this is Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic a water level detector. All you need for this experiment is like an LED. I use a green one, 100 ohm resistor, 9-volt battery, and NPN transistor, and another 100 ohm resistor right there, as well as some water, and I'm using alligator clips to hook up everything because it's an easy way to get everything set up. Okay, so this is the schematic that I followed to create this. So I found this on what's this site called? Instructables.com. How to make a simple water level indicator. There's a diagram. This thing right here is the cup, and you see their diagram is a little more complicated than my setup because they used they're testing for multiple water levels here. Basically, you could ignore everything above the first circuit right here. So let's cover that up. Okay, so basically how this works, so there's our battery right there. They included a switch, which I don't have. So from the positive end, current's going to be sent through the LED, and it goes through 100 ohm resistor. Now this is the transistor right here. You see that transistors act like a switch, and the way an NPN transistor works, if it receives a current to its base, then the switch is going to close and allow current to flow through this gateway right here. So it'll go through and complete the circuit, thus turning the green LED on. Okay, so when is it going to be closed? Well, that's when the base current, it receives a base current. It's only going to receive a base current when the water level is high enough to submerge these the wire going from the positive terminal to the cup, as well as the wire going to the transistor. So these are the two wires, and this is the level, how high the water level has to go to send a small base current to the base terminal of the transistor. And once it does that, it's gonna the current acts like as a switch. It's gonna turn it on, close the circuit, and turn the green LED on. Alright, so that's basically what my circuit's doing right here. You see, here's my 9-volt battery. This is the positive terminal. I got the red clip is right here. You see it's not submerged yet, so the LED is not on. There's the white alligator clip goes to the LED, and you just follow this LED. This is the positive end, goes through, red goes to the transistor right here. Now this is connected. The LED is connected to, it's connected to the collector pin, I believe, the collector pin of the transistor. And the base pin has that resistor connected to it. You see right there, it's in the water right now. And the emitter pin, that's the farthest right one, has a yellow wire going to it, and it goes to the negative terminal of the battery. So let me demonstrate how this works. So I have to take this red one, which is connected to the positive terminal, dip it in the water, and you'll see what happens. So once we do that, try to get this whole thing in the picture. Yep, you see it turns on every time I dip it in the water. The green LED on the bottom of my screen turns on. So it's closing the circuit, and yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? So you could use this as an indicator for when the water levels get too high, maybe it could emit a sound instead of turning on an LED, or it could be an indicator that your water level is not high enough, right? You could even configure this to do things when the water level, when the LED is off, but that would require a different configuration of a transistor called a PNP transistor. All right, hope you learned something. I learned something too. All right, thanks for watching.